Welcome to Aptitude concept videos, boats and streams. Let's discuss few problems based on this concept. A speed of boat in still water is 7 km per hour and the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. What is the time taken by the boat to travel 40 km downstream? So speed of boat, that is boat speed is 7 km per hour and speed of stream, that is stream speed, equal to 3 km per hour. What is the time taken by the boat to travel 40 km downstream? So we know downstream speed equal to 7 plus 3, that is boat speed plus speed of stream equal to 10. So what is the time taken by the boat to travel 40 km? We know time equal to distance by speed. So here distance is 40 km and speed is 10 km per hour. So it will take 4 hours to reach 40 km in the downstream. So in case if the question is what is the time taken by the boat to travel 40 km upstream, how do you calculate? So upstream speed equal to 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So again distance by speed, distance is 40 km and 4 km per hour. So it will take 10 hours in upstream. So if question is downstream, our answer is 4 hours. If question is upstream, our answer should be 10 hours. A man can row 9 km in 3 hours against a stream which is running at 2 km per hour. So how long would he take in rowing the same distance down the stream? So a man can row 9 km in 3 hours. So upstream speed equal to 9 km in 3 hours, distance by time. So 3 km per hour. And a stream running at 2 km per hour. Stream means speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. So what is our question? How long he would take in rowing the same distance down the stream? That is down. So which equation relates upstream? Sorry, not US. Upstream, speed of the stream, and downstream. So we can simply write the equation like this. So downstream minus upstream 3 by 2 equal to stream speed, that is 2 km per hour. So downstream equal to 4 plus 3, 7. So speed is 7 km per hour in downstream. So total distance is time equal to distance by time. Distance is 9 km and the speed is 7 km per hour. So it will be equal to 2 by 7 hours. A man can swim with a stream at the rate of 3 km per hour and against the stream at rate of 2 km per hour. How long will it take him to swim 7.5 km in still water? So in the previous problem we have discussed a concept called boats and streams. But in this problem there is no word like boats. But instead they have given a man can swim. We have to use the swimming man. That's it. So here a man can swim with a stream at the rate of 3 km per hour. So it means downstream speed. So downstream is 3 km per hour and against the stream at 2 km per hour. Upstream equal to 2 km per hour. How long will it take him to swim 7.5 km in still water? Still water means boat speed in the still water, which we have discussed. So in this case man speed in the still water. So we have discussed a formula like boat. I'm writing this, I'm using the same notation, boat speed equal to by 2 and you will get 2.5. So man speed in the still water is 2.5 km per hour. So what is our question? How long will it take him to swim 7.5 km? So they have asked the time equal to distance by speed. Distance is 7.5 and the speed is 2.5, so which is equal to 3. So it will take 3 hours to reach 3 hours for him to cover 7.5 km in still water. Thank you.